travelled entire the town.
Oh, right, I see.
Still go back.
I thought you were going to play the other kit with it.
Dan TDM. Oh, it's like a life cycle.
Life cycle, what's life cycle?
It's like a little friend.
Oh, right. So how old are you, Lynn? Yeah.
5.
5?
Yeah.
Is that game for 5-year-olds or more?
12.
For 12-year-olds?
Yeah, but I know how to play. Luckily I'm clever.
Oh,
Because
that's
I'm a
good.
stage 7 reading.
Stage 7 reading?
Yeah.
Oh, that's brilliant, that, like.
I know how to spell elephant teething.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, how would you spell that? Oh, well done. Good lad. Yeah, he's clever. Yeah. Why do you want to be on YouTube?
Because I want everybody to see it.
All right. So you can show your pals at school.
Yeah, look at this on YouTube.
All right. Okay. We'll have a go. See if we can get it on YouTube. Eh? Okay.
Yeah, like I might tell my friend to enter it. Liam's YouTuber, and it might come on, and you might see his page.
Oh, that'll be good.
I don't know what I'm gonna call it.
Oh well, we'll think of a name. Okay.
Do I have to think of a name today?
No, just when you want to.